So the company Telesin has kindly sent me out this smart tracking camera holder to test and review. So let's get it out of the box and see what you get. So inside the box here we've got the instruction manual, the smart tracking gimbal, the remote control and the Type-C charging cable. So let's take a closer look at this Telesin smart tracking gimbal. On the front here you've got a built-in HD camera. Now that's got a powerful chip in there which has got AI technology and is designed to follow human features as well as the human body. So that's going to be interesting to try out later on. On the bottom here you've got a 1/4 inch thread mount, like most things today. And on the top here you've got a 1/4 inch screw mount as well. So that just screws around left and right. As you can see, it'll tighten up there to fit most action cameras or smartphones today. So inside this unit it's got a 3.7 volt 1500 milliamp battery, and on the back here this is where you'll be charging it, and this is a Type-C charging port. Now this is going to take 2 hours to fully charge, and then you're going to get 5 hours maximum usage out of this. So the built-in camera here at the front can rotate upwards 5 degrees and downwards 5 degrees. And then just above the charging port you've got the power on and off button. It really is a smart, compact, small design. So when I first saw this on the website I did think it was going to be quite a large unit, so I am pleased it's this size. Now this can follow you 360 degrees. Now that's a lot better than the Pocket 3, which won't rotate all the way around like that. So now I've got it out of the box and done a brief description of it. Let's attach the Action 4 to it. Here we go. So to attach the Action 4, you've got your 1/4 inch thread mount here. Just screw that into position. So, tighten it up there. And now let's attach the Action 4. So now I've got the Action 4 attached to the smart tracking gimbal. Let's set it up on a tripod and see how good the AI following technology is. Here we go. So now I've switched back to the Telesin following gimbal, and to activate it, one long press at the back. The blue LED will switch on, and then just one more press and that activates the white LED above, and as you can see the camera's ready to follow you. So I've got it set up on a tripod now, and as you can see it's doing a good job of following me. Right now I've done some close-up testing within the 3 meters and it's very responsive as we've just seen. Let's go back to around 5 meters and see how that fares. Okay, I'd say that's about 5 meters. Let's see if it follows. So now we're back around, we're around 4 meters away, and it's still doing a good job of tracking me there, I can see. I can see it's doing a good job there. Let's walk all the way around, and that's doing a really good job. As I've said, the Pocket 3 can't rotate 360 degrees like this. So that's really good, I'm pleased with that. I've been doing quite a bit of testing with this, and I can see straight away within 3 meters it's absolutely flawless, as you can see. I'm going to go walk around, as you can see. It follows you really well within 3 meters. So that AI technology is doing really well. So if I go a bit further than the 3 meters and go behind an object, which is this tree here, let's see if it can track me. Now that's rather impressive. Track me the other way. And yeah, a little stutter there, but it's picked me back up. So now I'm just going to compare it with the Pocket 3 to show you that. I'm going to select the Active Track 6, and I'll show you as soon as I go behind an object, the Pocket 3 will not be able to follow me. Here we go. So as you can see, I've switched over to the Pocket 3. I've enabled Active Track 6, and as you can see, the Pocket 3 is doing a great job within 3 meters, tracking me left to right. So now I'm going to do the same comparison test with the tree behind me, and I'm going to see if that can follow me. Here we go. So no pressure, Pocket 3. Can you track me behind the tree? And that rhymed. Let's go. So can you follow me as I walk past the tree? And as you can see, the Pocket 3 cannot fix on my position as I walk past the tree. And it says on the screen, subject lost. So now I'm going to switch back to the Telesin device just to see if that can keep up with me again. Here we go. So now I've got the Telesin unit around 5 feet. I do believe when it's around chest height it follows you a lot better, as you can see. As before it was around the 2 foot mark. And I can tell straight away that's where it's meant to be. I'd set this around chest height and that's almost working as though I'm within 1 meter. That's really smooth. So further testing shows if you get this around chest height, it's going to track you a lot better than if it's at low level. So this remote control's got a really good range. I'm going to walk at least 10 meters away, which is right down there, just to show you the range of this thing. Here we go. So now I'm at 5 meters, and as you can see, it's rotating left and right. I'll walk a bit further. So now I'm right back at 10 meters, and as you can see, it's got a real decent range on there. So to activate the wireless remote control, there's a switch at the side. You'll just push up. A little LED will blink twice. So you'll be able to control this in the left motion and the right motion. And if you press up, it rotates all the way around. And opposite, if you push down, it rotates the other way. And then when you push the button at the bottom of the remote, that activates the artificial intelligence tracking. And as you can see, I'm moving behind the camera. That's picked me up. Push it one more time and that deactivates it. As you can see, that's not following me at all. Follow mode. No follow mode. So where would you use this? It'd be great for a webinar follow, video chat, selling goods, or any type of gardening channel, as I've said before. It's going to keep you in that range of 3 meters and be very responsive. And the bonus is you'll be able to put your phone on there if you don't have an action camera. So I've done quite a bit of testing there today with the Telesin following gimbal, and as you can see, it is really a good design. It's small enough to fit in your pocket and it does a good job of following you. So if you're interested in buying this Telesin following gimbal, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there you'll receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.